Like all acupuncture, it's going to affect your health in many ways. We tend to have these concretized emotions that get frozen on our face. This kind of facial rejuvenation acupuncture is fantastic for getting rid of that.
While making the person feel beautiful on the inside and the outside, we're truly affecting the health, and that's where the skin will change, is from the inside out.
It promotes overall health and well-being, just like all acupuncture, and it brings out a person's innate beauty and radiance. Bring the shine, bring the glow, because that is really beautiful. My name is Virginia Doran, and I've developed this technique of facial rejuvenation acupuncture as a culmination of 25 years of clinical experience. It's come from extensive research, from translating books from China, and from teaching my workshops internationally for many years. The benefits of a facial rejuvenation acupuncture series. It improves muscle tone and dermal contraction. Very good for eliminating puffiness. It helps to eliminate and reduce bags under the eyes, and it decreases the tendency towards sagging and jowls. Helps to eliminate fine lines on the face altogether, and the larger wrinkles will diminish considerably. So sculpting the face. The sculpting of the face makes the biggest visible difference of anything you could do on the face. A lot of Asian skin, the skin is so beautiful already that what can you do? But sometimes just defining the cheekbones will just kind of fine-tune the perfection. It moisturizes the skin. It increases facial coloring by the increase of peripheral circulation. Reduces or eliminates double chins. It tightens the pores. It helps to lift drooping eyelids. It slows the aging process from within. It really tends to help the hair. It reduces stress evident in the face, and it brings out a person's innate beauty and radiance. I believe practicing this technique of facial rejuvenation acupuncture will benefit you and your patients tremendously, as well as your practice. It's just a tricky way to get people into acupuncture, but you treat the whole body, and then the cosmetic effect is like icing on the cake. If you like doing that kind of psychospiritual work, this is a really great opportunity to work with them on that level.
Well, that it's actually touched the chi that it's supposed to.
Oh, well, yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
Are you talking about chi, or are you trying to perceive it and work with it?
I thought the class was very valuable for my practice.
So I'd move the vessel out of the way.
Virginia put together a fabulous protocol.
There's a logic to the order of the insertion and the removal. Good, yeah, that's the way to take them out. That's good.
The protocols are very easy to follow. It's laid out exactly the way that you should do it. You don't have to question yourself, and after you've gone through it once or twice, I have it in my head now, so I don't have to look at the sheet anymore. And you get a feel for why you do what points when.
We're using points on most of the meridians.
The idea of it being a constitutional treatment should really give a good treatment to all the patients.
So it's going to tonify yin and yang and move qi, move blood, disperse heat. Whatever you think that person needs, you want to go underneath it. And that will not only lift it, but you kind of bypass some of the sensitive nerves there.
Extremely detailed and knowledgeable, knowing why you're doing something, not only just do it in essence, but the research was there, the background was there.
Like you can see, you can feel right here. How hard that is.
Virginia also played a big role in making me feel reassured.
Yeah, and remember, you may feel the bone protruding the most here.
Very easy and manageable in terms of physician hours and hands-on and time spent with the patient.
And I would do something here. Feel this. Just feel how tight that is.
She seemed really caring as well and showed the points and explained and everything, I think.
There's motor points that help tone the muscles.
Her steps were very easy to follow, very clear.
Right on target, and then it just has this dramatic release.
The practice sessions, of course, were real helpful, and being able to have the opportunity to feel it ourselves was a good way to be able to explain it to our patients.
Angle the needles in a certain way on the scalp.
Seems like the treatment went over very well with the patients.
Immediately after the treatment, I could see a tightening right here, and I could see less of the pouch that I have here. The biggest difference is right here, and right here, and right here. And the difference I didn't expect at all was right here and then right here. This right here, where it looks kind of sculpted here, I've always had really round, puffy cheeks, and each day that's getting better. Like I said, I had no real expectations of this, so I was kind of shocked at how much of a difference there was from, you know, laying there for an hour and letting someone poke me.
People say, I can't afford to take the course. And I'm like, how can you afford not to? You're going to get so many patients that you wouldn't get otherwise, that wouldn't come and seek Oriental medical treatment if they weren't coming for that reason. And the thing is, though, after, you know, you'll educate them about it. So then if they have other things, they'll come to you afterwards for it. And that's the idea.
The class was well organized, and everybody felt very relaxed and appreciated having the treatment done, and they seem to think that they'll want to continue having more done and probably tell more family and friends about it.
The whole body feels great. I mean, from my head down to my toe. I've had acupuncture and felt relaxed, but this is completely different than what I've had before. It's very ultra relaxing. No, I would recommend this to anybody.
Mostly the wrinkle tax and a little bit of this. And I was still getting like really a lot of nice things happening to people. But now it's like a whole run better.
Oh, good.
Oh,
I'm
definitely.
glad to hear that.
Yeah, no, I'm really happy.
Yep.
Thank you.
It's going to be a great benefit, and I have many patients already lined up to do this therapy, waiting till I'm finished with the workshop. You know what? We need to learn this from the master. There's so many people that want to organize a workshop.